Since I really enjoy playing Nordic Ashes, I decided to use the power of Python and PyAutoGUI to help me out with a little problem. All I want every time is missing with the reset relic, and that's it. That's all I really want. So what I will do, I obviously played with the images for the Python script. So what I want to do, this is basically for the script to load up the character, find if it has the relic. If it doesn't, go and reset everything and try again. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, let it go. Okay, it checks for the relic. It's not there. It will reset everything and try again. Again, still nothing. Same procedure, nothing changes. Still no relic. Nope, nothing. Hopefully it'll find one in a reasonable amount of time. Let's give it a 2 minutes. It's been a minute and so far no joy. It keeps doing this. So I've set the variable to try this 100 times. So, you know, you can go and take the shower, make a coffee. It'll just find the missing character with a reset relic. Oh, it stopped. Yes. Yes, it stopped. Here we go. So after what, like 2 minutes, here it is. It found the relic. So this is the power of Python. Yes. So if I go back to my script, you'll find the little information that, yeah, it had no luck. So it tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. So 12 times lucky. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do from now on whenever I want to play the missing character, and obviously always want the highly coveted relic called the reset. So this will be quite fun for the Ragnarok and the endless mode. Kind of a cheat, but not really. Well, anyway, that's it. I hope you have a good day. Cheers for watching.